Good morning, teachers and students. In this video, I'll show you how command lines work using the command prompt. On the first code, if you want to see the information about your desktop, you can use this code, system info. Ini-scan pa kung ano yung mga specs ng natin, desktop. As you can see, nakalagay dito kung ano yung OS name, OS version, manufacturer configuration, or any specifications of your desktops. Next. The next code is if you want to know what is the programs installed in your desktop, is use the code WMIC product getting.
Teka lang.
Next code is if you want to start an application using command prompt, use this code, start www.youtube.com. Start www.youtube.com. youtube.com. You select Google Chrome. Yeah. As you can see, makakapag-start ka ng YouTube gamit yung command prompt. Next code is if you want to start an application using command prompt, use the code www.youtube.com. As you can see, directly ka makakapunta ng YouTube gamit yung command prompt. Gamit yung command line. The next is if you want to turn off the firewall on your desktop without going to settings, use the code match ADB firewall set all profile state profile. Set all profiles. State of. As you can see, kapag naran mo na siya, yung code niya, may lalabas siya na okay. It means nag-run siya. And the next naman is kapag gusto mo naman na yun yung ADB firewall mo, ganun lang din, babaliktanin mo lang siya. Kaya gagamitin mo yung match ADB firewall set all profile state on. State on naman siya. Kapag gusto mo siya i-on ulit firewall. Next code, this code is if you want to see the current directory and the files you created. Use the code dir. As you can see sa may bandang left part ng screen ninyo, makikita nyo yung date and time kung kailan nyo create yung files. The next code is if you want to see the current directory and the files you created. Use this code dir. Punta tayo sa pinakataas. Punta tayo sa pinakataas. Yan. As you can see on the left part on your screen, makikita nyo yung date and time. Yung date and time. And sa right part naman, nakikita mo yung mga files na dinabog mo. Kung kailan mo siya create, nakikita mo siya. The next code is if you want to print out your actions, you can use echo. Yan. As you can see, echo is on. Type echo hello world. Yan. Nakikita nyo nag-print yung sinabi nyo na hello world. Nag-print siya dun sa echo.
Good morning. Let's start with task list.
Boy,
Task list, sometimes called a to-do list or a list of tasks to be completed. It is a way to organize in
ay, paano kung
work.
ayos eh, nasa
It can be
number?
used to break down complex projects into smaller, manageable parts and frequently used in project management to facilitate collaboration and accountability. Essentially, it's a structured way to keep track of tasks, deadlines, and progress, often including details like who is responsible for each task and its priority. So let's have task list. So as you may notice, when I entered task list, lumabas po itong mga ito. Okay. But, okay. Let's move on to pause. Pause signifies a temporary halt in the execution of a program. This can be done for various reasons, such as allowing a user to interact with the problem, preventing a program from overloading resources or device. So let's have here a pause. Let's create some movement or process. Here's the example. As you may notice, we have a color purple. And when I enter pause, okay, nag-ask siya na mag-press ng any key to continue. That proves na nag-pause siya. Cut. Okay, let's move on to CLS. CLS is for clear screen. It is a command used by the command line interpreters, Command COM and CMD on the OS to clear the screen or console window of commands and any output generated by that. So let's have a scenario or a process. For example, let's have this one. Sorry. Color help appear here. And then input TLS. And that's it.
This command line will show how to reformat the storage of your laptop and PC. So first type this part, and next list this. So makikita nyo this 0, types of disk and size ng storage nyo. Sa 119, that's my storage na SSD. And sa pangalawa naman, 1 terabyte dapat yan, pero nalaman ng system. So, balik 931 GB na lang. So, i-type nyo this 0. Ay, select this 0. So, dyan makikita nyo, this 0 is now the selection disk. Ibig sabihin, na-select nyo na yung storage na nasa list. And pag tinype nyo naman ng clean, actually hindi ko siya ma-enter dahil pag once na in-clean ko to, baka ma-delete lahat. So yun, pag tinype nyo yung clean, okay na, mabubura na lahat.